In this slide, we have 3 rectangular boxes. Let's say that we would like to have all 3 of them aligned. We can choose whether to align them with respect to the top box, whether to align them with respect to the box in the middle, or align them to the bottom. In order to do any of these operations, I'll select the 3 boxes and click on the Format tab, where we can find the Align button. I'll click on it and choose the type of alignment that is needed. Let's say that we want to have all 3 boxes on the top. Therefore, I'll pick Align Top. The 3 boxes are perfectly aligned as a result of entering this command. We can also align the 3 objects horizontally, to the right, to the left, and in the center. Let's provide an example of horizontal alignment. I'll select the 3 boxes and click Align to the left. And all 3 of them are aligned with respect to the leftmost box. There are 3 ways to use the Align commands. We already saw the first way, using the button which is located in the Format tab. With this method, we had to use the mouse in order to access the Format tab, which makes the whole process longer and time-consuming. Quick Access Toolbar buttons are a viable alternative. In the previous video, we saw how to add the most frequently used commands to the Quick Access Toolbar. The advantage of this approach is that the user does not have to go through multiple tabs and menus in order to find the commands that he needs. A third option is to use a keyboard shortcut. I will move the 3 elements and redo the same operation by using a keyboard shortcut. Okay, do you remember how this is done? We already saw how to use keyboard shortcuts during our second lesson. I can activate the tabs of the PowerPoint ribbon by pressing the Alt key. Then, I simply trace the letters assigned to each of the menus. I will select H in order to access the Home tab. And then I will select G, which corresponds to the Arrange button. Here we will have to press A, which stands for Align, and finally press the L letter in order to align the 3 items to the left. As you can see, some of the shortcuts in PowerPoint are very long and can be difficult to remember. You can choose the approach that best suits you. Quick Access Toolbar buttons seem like a good combination in terms of speed and ease of use. We learned how to align objects in our slides. Let's go a step further and see how to distribute objects evenly. In the slide that you see, we have 3 rectangular boxes containing text. As you can see, they are not distributed evenly on the sheet. In order to do that, we will have to select them and access the Format tab. Once we are there, we can click on Align, and in the drop-down list, we will choose Distribute Horizontally. PowerPoint perfectly distributes the 3 objects, leaving an equal amount of space between them. The same thing can be done when we have to distribute objects vertically. In the next slide, we have 3 objects that have to be aligned vertically. In order to do that, I will select the objects, access the Align menu, and select Distribute Vertically. Here is the result, an equal amount of vertical space between each of the 3 boxes. This is how we can align and distribute objects in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.